Hello guys, welcome to Syntax Edge. In today's video, we are going to see about Grok, which is an AI chatbot developed by XAI, and it is based on the large language model. And it was launched in 2023 as an initiative by our beloved Elon Musk. So the chatbot is advertised as having a sense of humor and direct access to X. So to use this, you have to head over to x.ai. After so to use grok.ai, we have to first head over to x.ai site, and for using Grok, you will have to actually sign in with your X account, formerly known as Twitter. So you will need to verify your X account to use the Grok AI chatbot. Okay, so we are right now on the landing page, which you can access at x.ai. Okay, so we will right now see the content. If you want a brief information, there are two blogs available on the the x.ai team has also released the xi API for developer. Okay, so you can access the API. It is kind of a REST API, and you can build applications on top of that in Python or like JavaScript. You can build applications easily. They have made it public. Earlier it was not available. Okay, so earlier it was not available, but right now for users to test the Grok 1, they have made it public, and the Grok 2 beta release is also announced. You can see here. You can head over and read the complete info. Okay, so right now after signing in, you can see their career section also. They have opening here for the x.ai team, and at last here are the product developed by the x.ai team. So there are two products available right now, like Grok. Okay, so it is a conversational AI for serious and not so serious discussions, and second is IDE for prompt engineering. So as I said, we will take a look at Grok chatbot. After clicking, we will be redirected to the x.ai/grok site, and here you can see the chatbot interface, which is quite similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so here are two modes: regular and fun. As x.ai has announced that you can explore the chatbot, and when you will enter something, it will it will be in serious manner, or it can be into fun, like with humor, like just like Elon Musk, like he likes to discuss things in some humorous manner, and also sometimes he's serious, right? Okay, so let's test this. So you so let's initiate the chatbot. So I have entered prompt hey, so it had responded hello, how can I assist you today? If you have any questions or need information on topic, feel free to ask. So we will tell the chatbot to we will enter a prompt: give me information on deep learning. Okay, so it has right now gave me the result, and it's actually quite good. Like the kind of response it has given me into, like, it has subdivided the sections of the result, like definition, key component, applications, and challenges. Right now we will text the Grok once coding capability. Okay, so on the right hand side you can see there are two options: one is real time and one is new chat. You can either enable or disable real time. So currently I have enabled it. So let us write a prompt: generate me code in Python for rock paper scissor and quiz game. User can choose one of them, and Okay, so it had generated code in very less time, which is good. So this is the complete Python script for the game, which is into pure Python. So like it will import the random library. For this we will need a good ID. So like I am not using VS Code or anything like that. I will use Replit. So into Replit I have created a one main.py file. So I will paste the code here. Let's run this, and the code is running successfully. So we will choose a game first. Let's choose rock paper scissors, and it's asking how many rounds do I want to play. I will say 2 rounds. Enter your choice. Let the game is started. Okay, rock. So it's a tie. My score is 0 and computer score is also 0. So again we have to enter our choice. So it is second final round. We will choose scissors. Again it's a tie. Okay, and let's run the code again. We will choose quiz game. What is the capital of France? It has given us 4 options. We will say Paris, and it's correct. Okay, we have to give the option into int, not a complete string. So third one is the Paris one. Okay, right. So it's correct answer. Which planet is known as a red planet? Obviously Mars. Okay, who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Okay, which this completed. My score is 3 out of 3. I would say the code generation is pretty good and it's fast. And can Grok generate images? Grok 1 cannot actually generate images, but Grok 2, which is released in beta right now, can generate images. And for accessing Grok 2, you will surely need a X premium subscription. Okay, so Grok 2 is actually using Flux, another AI model which generates images. Okay, so we just tested text capabilities and coding capability of Grok 1. Now I will show you one extra feature that has Grok given us, which is API. So we can build with Grok by using the XAI API. Okay, and this is great news for developers. Earlier it was like not available. Now we can use. So it's a public. Okay, it's in public beta. We are running a public beta program until the end of 2024. So until the end of 2024, the API is available under the name Grok beta. The model offers functional calling, a 128,000 context length and system prompt support. So the API is compatible with the API is compatible with OpenAI and Anthropic SDKs. Migrating is easy, and also changing the URL is also easy in this one. You can get started for free. Okay, until the end of 2024, all users will get $25 free monthly credit. Okay, for until the end of 24, user will get $25 monthly credit. You will have to just sign up, and it will automatically apply to your account. And again, if you want to access the API, you can click here, direct it to the sign in page, and I will sign in with X, so it will authorize with my X account. So it will authorize app, and I will be redirected to the API console. So these are my details, account details. Right now I am going to my API console. So from here you can generate. So they have created XAA defaultly created me a $25 free credit, and we can generate API key here. Okay, so here is the complete. We will click here. It will open a documentation section where it will explain you how you can use those API for get, post, create, like all rest. It's rest methods. Okay, you can manage your API keys here. You can invite, and you can also set up billing if you are planning a long-term use. Okay, so these are API models, users, billing section. After clicking on the API models, you can see I have generated I have actually not created any API, so I will have to create this one to get started. So there are two models available here. One is Grok Beta and one is Grok Vision Beta. So the Grok Beta is for text capabilities. Context length is this one. Grok Vision Beta is for text and image both. So I hope you got an overview on the Grok, and Elon Musk is surely doing a great job in developing this, and thanks to its X.AI team too. So I hope you like the video. If yes, make sure to like and subscribe too, because more interesting videos are coming. Thank you.